Welcome back to Every Other Carl. I'm Carl, and today is a powder day in Vernon, New Jersey. And by powder day, I mean there's a dusting. That's pretty much all we can hope for this season. I rented a cabin at Great Gorge Mountain in Vernon, New Jersey, and I'm skiing Mountain Creek. A while ago, I took you on a little bit of a tour of the water park at Mountain Creek, but today is a ski day. And this is honestly the first real snow of the season. We got, a good solid 2/8 of an inch. And I'm just happy to go hit this path. Mountain Creek is probably the closest proper ski resort to New York City. It's only about 45 minutes to an hour from Manhattan, and although there's only a few ski resorts in New Jersey, it's by far the best one. It's not huge, it's got about a 1,200 foot vertical, but it's spread out across a few mountains. I grew up skiing here and I love this place. I even applied to be the mountain photographer one time. That would have been a cool job. If you're just starting out and learning how to ski, you'll probably stick to Vernon Peak. That's where the Bunny Hill is, that's where the main lodge is and the hotel. And it's where you pick up all your rental gear as well. It has a bunch of easy greens, but there's some challenging runs too, including my favorite run in the entire resort. It's called 0G. It's a nice, steep, wide diamond. If you scoot over to Granite Peak, that's the one in the middle, there is one pretty challenging run that's called Grand Prix, and the only double diamond in New Jersey called Pipeline, but it's never open. Once you go over to South Peak, the entire mountain is park terrain, so they have jumps and rails. That's pretty awesome. And Bear Peak is really fun. It's small and it's got a bunch of little diamonds, including the steepest trail on the whole mountain that they call Big Bear. Like I was saying, there's 4 mountains here at Mountain Creek. This is South Mountain. This is Bear. This is Vernon. And this is Granite Mountain. It's kind of a cross-through mountain. It's right between the others, and it's where I'm staying. This is Pipeline Trail. It's the only double black diamond trail in all of New Jersey, and it hasn't been open in like 15 years, unfortunately. And this is the Daily Bean. Best local coffee shop to come to after skiing. That's gonna do it for today's video. Really appreciate it if you would subscribe and like and maybe leave a comment on this video. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers this month. That's the goal. But other than that, really appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.